Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the first lesson of new curriculum, the universe and the earth. So what is the universe? Universe is everything. It includes all space and all the matter and energy that space contains. It even includes time itself, and of course it includes you also. But this is the definition given by the internet. But in general, if you think about the universe, it is a vast space that contains many unimaginable elements. It includes the sun, planets, Milky Way, galaxy, and all other galaxies. Nobody knows how big the universe. The range of the universe is infinite. The scientists that studies universe are called astronomy. This is called the cosmology in Russian language and astronomy in the English language. Scientific research in astronomy began the Italian astronomer named Galileo. He made the device called telescope. If you see the picture, easily you can see the scientist who invented the telescope, Galileo, and the picture of the telescope is given. Earlier, the people have so many myths about the universe. They thought, already we discussed earlier, that they thought that the earth is in the middle and the sun is and other planets are moving around the earth. But after Galileo invented the telescope, he started observing the universe. He saw many wonders unknown to him. Many astronomers have been searching about the universe, science. The Galileo also searched for the universe on the sky. There is no consensus among the scientists on origin of universe. Here I used one word called astronomer. Astronomer is a scientist who studies about the stars and everything. So this is the picture. What is showing is the Galileo's telescope. With this only he observed the universe. What is the universe? Actually, how it is formed? The people are still doubt about it. Very few people are made research on this. But the people mostly believe that there are some theories about the universe. One theory about the universe is that Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory was the first proposed by Belgian astronomer named Georges Lemaitre. He strongly believed that the present day universe began and has begun expanding from a tiny atom about 13.7 billion years ago. That tiny atom became like a small ball with infinite temperature and infinite density. Due to increasing temperature and density of that atom, it exploded and shattered into small pieces, and over the universe as a result, stars, galaxies, planets, satellites, and celestial objects are formed on the universe. The expansion of universe is occurring till today. According to astronomers, at least 125 billion galaxies are there in the universe. The distance from the edge of the galaxy is 1,20,000 light years. The Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system is located. Right, here I used one word called light year. Let me tell you, we have the measurements for length. It is in meters and kilometers. So we have measurement for weight like grams and kgs. Like that, a light year is a unit of the distance. It is distance that light can travel in 1 year. Light moves at a velocity of above 3000 kilometers. In the next lesson, we will discuss about the solar system. Thank you, children. Thank you for listening.